Yep. Remember, if it doesn't get past this level, you gotta get out of that way, out of the way quick. So look for it to hold the impulse area. Uh-oh. What is going on, everybody? Having some technical difficulties this morning. The display capture. One. Go. Yeah, so that thing just flushed right off of there. So great way to start that. Just getting a bunch of overhead resistance. But let's check out some news that's coming up. Get this thing started. Gustavo, Andy Carlson, Eric Smith, Bearish Bull, Diane, Carl, Imetza, Chris B, Alex, Scott. Good morning. Good morning. So let's take a peek at this CoinDesk news. So the U.S. Senate passes Democrats' $3.5 trillion budget blueprint. CPI numbers came out. They came out positive. We saw the market really rally this morning. The U.S. stock market really rally. Play it too loud. You got a pocket full of alts and a pocket full of money and so many alts to choose from. Are you in the Discord? Jump in the Discord and talk to the crypto chemist. He's the alt master. This hasn't really given us any information. Let's look. We talked about this yesterday. This was these hackers start to return some of the 600 million they stole in one of the biggest crypto heists, right? I don't know why they're returning it. Maybe just to kind of show that they can do it. You see this here, dear hacker, we are the Poly Network team. We want to establish communication with you and urge you to return the hacked assets. Right, basically just begging to have their stuff back. You know, this is not great news for the crypto community, right? We keep seeing it kind of get hacked, and that's kind of supposed to be the, you know, one of the pushes behind it is that it can't get hacked, right? We're seeing here we're seeing here that cryptocurrency FOMO pushes young investors to leave jobs and day trade, but it comes with risks, right? We know that as at the Trade Vets, we talk about managing risk all the time. But this can lead to, you know, a couple of other issues with you know, with people not filling all the jobs that they want to fill. I was actually watching Shark Tank last night, and there's this company, I can't remember the name, but I'll find it out. Ed, what's up? JJ, Good morning. Scott, Alex, Crispy, Aloha, Imetsa. Um, it's basically this little box that you can order. You get it, and it teaches your kids how to code, but it makes it fun, and so that way, they learn how to code. So if you have younger kids and you're trying to look for something for them to get into, coding is, kind of, at least right now, something that they can do that that can, be beneficial in the future. CNBC, 5 things to know before the market opens. Then it passes that. Coinbase post big earnings beat, shares rise. We talked about that yesterday. Um, the White House to call OPEC to hike oil production. So this could be negative for oil, right? If there's more supply than demand, could bring the price of oil down. I don't know why they put this guy like in a hood. Why is the Matrix not on his screen if he's hacking? They should, if they're gonna dramatize this picture, they should really make it, real dramatic. I'll look it up, Ryzen or Ferdy. I'll look up the coding thing. Eric, you're in school for coding now. Jens, what's up? Yeah, me, Ferdy, and Jens were getting it in on some Call of Duty last night. Pretty fun. Midlife career change, not a bad spot to go. Oh. So CPI rose. That's what caused this huge pump in the market today. If you take a look at the ES, oops. If you take a look at the ES, you can see how much it went up. Right, we basically had a poor high and a poor low, and we just shot right up, and we're still continuing up. We caught some nice plays. I tried out this new strategy today where I went long on gold, and if you guys look at the FDAX is also way up, and I got long on the FDAX as well. Gold plays over. Looking for oil to maybe possibly short. The Russell is way up as well, and so is the Dow. And then I am looking for a bonds long, but it kind of died out, so I have to wait on that. But there was something that long and short talking about. There's some news coming out on Cardano on Friday. These smart contracts, right? This is the largest cryptocurrency. Talk about it. Billionaire Mark Cuban issues serious warning even as Bitcoin nears 50,000. Right, you know what? I think a lot of times, and I think they did this last time. Um, you're looking at BA, Coinbase, and Planter for quick scalps. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. This rally kind of ruined my Apple calls or Apple puts, I'm sure. I think a lot of times too with this news, like so Mark Cuban's issuing a serious warning. You're getting a lot of people, a lot of these rich people or higher up people trying to push the price down. So they're gonna say stuff like this. That way they can buy more for cheap, right? Because they want to buy it. Everyone knows that Elon's the master at that. Not really anything huge. Not really seeing crypto go crazy this morning either. Cardano's still kind of hanging out right here. I took a long right here at this 179. Still holding the position, but see, I ended up taking a loss on that bad boy. You were saying, just curious if you believe we are heading for a bull trap. I don't really mess around with those, man. Like so a bull trap is like people have been saying it's a bull trap for, you know, for like a while now, right? I know like if you look even if you look at if we just look at Bitcoin real quick, I know uh CF was saying that it was going to come down right here. That's what he was telling everybody that, oh, no, it's going to come up and then it's going to just come down. And uh we're not focused on that here at the Trade Vets. We're focused on structure. So we see that it comes down. It doesn't break the previous low of the day and value shifted up. We're playing off of structure. So we caught a lot of this move in our Discord. So if you start focusing on bull trap, bear trap, mouse trap, you're gonna get a bias and it's gonna fuck you rolled up. So just stay away from that kind of shit, man. Waste of effort. Yeah, Boeing's yeah, Boeing can break these highs, go for that scalp. If it can't, it got pretty overextended yesterday. I think all of the airlines are a little bit overextended. Um, you might be able to short it back down. Coinbase is way up. Coinbase looks like a nice long today. But wait for the pop, lock and drop. Right, because basically what happens is the market's going to bid it up, wait for all the FOMO to build in. A lot of retail traders can't trade pre-market because they're on Robinhood, and Robinhood traders can't trade pre-market. And they're going to jump in, and then price is going to dump. They're going to close out because they're going to get scared, and institutional money or smart money is going to be right there just waiting, and they're going to scoop it all up, and then it will pop up. So if you're going to go with the options play, I'd let this one settle for a second. What was the other one that you're talking about? Oh, PLTR. Yeah, PLTR has that excess to the top. Yeah, once it gets above this high, I'd have to wait though. But I mean, it's putting in value up here too, so you might just get a rotational day up here. Just be careful with that one. Being a part of this community is part of your career change. Good stuff. Nimrez, good morning. Yo, yo. All right. No, I'm not. That's someone was asking to look at it. No, I'm just I think that's more of just a wait. I think he's just putting in value up here. Its earnings is the 12th tomorrow. This might just be like an earnings rise. Could be a good play though. It could be a good play. I think it might be a decent short actually. 2287. You might be able to short it back down into this value area down here at 22. Um, I wish I could like share my phone screen, right? Like around here, so you guys could look at the options better. Tonight's stream we're gonna be doing tonight's Zoom meeting we're gonna be doing options, looking at options. That'll be around like 7 o'clock, 6:30, 7 o'clock. Tomorrow's the first day of school for my kids as well, so got a lot going on. And I had a pipe burst underneath my sink last night, so it's a pain in my ass. Let's look at these options. Back down to 22, we said. So the 22 PLTR puts are actually pretty cheap for Friday. Those might be worth it. See how they open. They're probably going to open cheap. Yeah, I kind of like those puts. We'll see how it acts on the open, but yeah, I might be able to catch some of that. Yeah. Look at the ES. Oh my god. Stops. I don't think I'll have to take any trades today in the live trade room. Trade will pretty much close out. Here we go. About to hit our first target on Cardano. My first target was here at this 180 level, and then um, uh, projected right off that same spot. There's single prints above up here. We're getting into single prints on a lot of stuff. I would target that 182.20 level. That's that low structure. We can pop this. 182, perfect, yeah. Close enough, yeah. Almost. Nice. All right, guys. Well, that's all we got for YouTube. You guys have a great day. If you're interested in joining our live trade room and seeing what we do in there, go to thetradevets.com. We've got a boot camp coming up on the 30th. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see the rest of you guys in the trade room.